Good morning, my dear students. I am your social teacher of Class 4. This week, we will have 3 social videos. On December 1st onwards, you will have exam. For that, we are going to revise now and I am going to give portion. Then I am going to explain how you want to present your exam paper. Now, I am going to explain the portion. See this lesson. Lesson 1, you will have our national symbols. Lesson 3, my country and its landscapes. Lesson 7, the climate of our country. Lesson 8, soils of India. Lesson 9, our water resources. Lesson 10, our forests and wildlife resources. Lesson 11, our mineral resources. And lesson 12, our energy resources. Students, totally we have 8 lessons and you have states and capitals and you need to prepare India political map. Students, use ruled paper for writing exam. At the top, you have to write your name, date, class and subjects. Totally, you are going to write 50 marks. So, fill in 8 marks. Choose the correct answer, 8 marks. True or false, 8 marks. Match the following, 8 marks. Answer the following. We will give 8 out of 8. You need to write 5. Each carries 2 marks. So totally 10 marks. And you have to attend states and capitals. It carries 4 marks. Students, separately you need to buy India political map. So it carries 4 marks. I will explain how to present your map in the video. Okay. Every time in the exam, students will do this mistake. What mistake? So, everyone will write question with answer. No need to write any question. Clear or not? No need to write any question. You have to write only the answer for that question. Use first Roman letter, fill in the blanks with black. Then you are going to write only the answer. 8 answers. Then you are going to draw one line. Then start to write second Roman letter. Choose the correct answer with the black. Then find out the answer for the choose the correct answer. 8 answers. Then draw one line. Then third Roman letter, true or false. Then after writing 8 answers, draw one line. Then after completing third Roman letter, you need to start fourth Roman letter, match the following with black. Then complete the 8 answers. Then fifth Roman letter, answer the following. Here I gave 8 questions. Out of 8, you need to attend 5. Understood? Each carries 2 marks. After writing one question, draw one line. Then you can move to next question. What answer you know? If you don't know second question, you know third question means put the question number properly. After completing answer the following, you will have states and the capitals. Here I gave states. You need to write only the capital for that states. Understood? Then you will have map. Students, while writing map, no need to write any capitals. You need to write only the states. What state I gave? I will give only 4 states. So you have to write only the 4th state. Clear or not? You should not write all the states. Understood? Then you have to mark Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. Additionally, you need to write Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Keep it in your mind, children. Students, no need to give color for the map. Again, I am saying I will give only 4 states. You have to write only the 4 state. Mark the 4 state alone. No need to write the capital for that state. No need to fill the map. Additionally, you are going to write Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean alone. You will have some doubt why ma'am didn't add lesson 4, 5, 6. Sorry students, I didn't revise, isn't it? So I don't have time. If I started like this means I can't complete the revision portion. So if I selected 7, 8, 8th lesson soils of India, water, forest, mineral, energy means this I recently taught you. So it's very easy to recall. That's why I selected these lessons. Now we can move to the revision lesson. Today we are going to revise 2 lessons, that is lesson 1 our national symbols and lesson 3 my country and its landscape. See the first lesson, national symbols. You all know what do you mean by national symbols. A national symbols represents a country. If we say national symbols, first we will get national flag. The national flag is rectangle in shape and has 3 horizontal bands. The saffron represents courage and sacrifice. At the top, the white band in the middle represents honesty, purity and peace. The green band represents prosperity. At the center, navy blue color with the 24 spokes. It is hoisted on a national days like Independence Day and Republic Day. The next one, national anthem. National anthem is Janagana Mana, was written by Rabindranath Tagore. It was adapted as our national anthem on 24th January 1950. Now we can move to national song. Vande Mataram is our national song. This we all know, isn't it? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee written this Vande Mataram in Sanskrit. National emblem. Lion capital is the national emblem of India. It was adapted from the Ashokan pillar at Sarnath. It has 4 heads. It shows the 4 directions. At the base of national emblem, a lion, a bull, an elephant and a horse between them. We can see this national emblem in government documents like identification document, passport, voter ID and currency of India. Now we can move to other national symbols. We have so many national symbols. The first one is Royal Bengal tiger. Is the national animal. It represents power and strength. And the next one is peacock. Is our national bird. It represents beauty and grace. The third one is lotus. Is our national flower. It represents dignity, wealth and knowledge. And the last one is the banyan tree. Is our national tree. The Indian elephant is our national heritage animal. Students, I can't explain briefly because this is a revision part. So I want to complete my portion. Now we can move to next lesson, which means lesson 3, my country and its landscape. Students, first we need to know where is India. India is in the southern part of the continent of Asia. It is the seventh largest country in the world and the second most populated country. It stretches about 3,214 km from north to south and 2,993 km from east to west. So, India is surrounded by three-side water. It is otherwise called as peninsular. The Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean in the south. India shares its border with Pakistan and Afghanistan to the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan to the north and northeast, and Myanmar and Bangladesh to the east. Sri Lanka and Maldives lies to the south of the country and are India's neighbors. India has a population of over 1 billion people. It is difficult to run the country, so it is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. Delhi is the capital of India, where the President, Prime Minister, and other ministers of a central government live. Students, no other way you have to mug up these 28 states and 9 union territories. These 9 union territories are directly undertaken by the central government. These 28 states have chief ministers. Now, we can move to physical divisions of India. We have 6 physical divisions. The first one is the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the Peninsular Plateau, the coastal plains, the islands. These are the physical divisions of India. We have islands on both sides. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal side. The Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea side. So, which is the biggest state? Rajasthan. Which is the smallest state? Goa. Students, I will ask in the question. Students, don't expect one-word answers from the book exercise. Every time I will take the one-word answers inside the lesson. So, you have to read the lesson thoroughly. And the question and answer, what I gave, you can read. Students, it is better to send your answer sheet within the day to edustad4@gmail.com. Students, in the next video, we are going to revise Lesson 7, the climate of our country, Lesson 8, soils of India, Lesson 9, our water resources. Thank you children. Have a good day.